Hi, sir. I'm super happy to have you right now. What is the challenge that you face whenever you hire freshers out of college, any engineering program out there?
When we have freshers from the colleges, they are not ready for industry. This is not a regular statement that is done. What is the missing part? They have been wrote lectured on the topics, and on those topics also students have not gone deep dive to understand it. I'll just give example. Whenever I talk to people about operating system, right? These guys have done operating system chapter. They have passed the book, but they don't know definition of operating system. They have done embedded system. You ask what is meaning of embedded system, they don't know definition of embedded system. Second thing, now engineering become democratized in India, right? You will
Yeah.
find people from very low income group to getting into this. A huge communication issue. They are not able to communicate, express their point. Lot of engineering colleges mushroom. So then your intake quality is not that great. And what happens that because of intake quality is bad, their whole programming logic is not there. They have passed the B.Tech degree, but their logic is not developed. I sometimes get surprised when I take some of the sessions and ask people simple mathematical problem, and they could not answer it. To the scale of one of the campus, I was asking one guy, what is the answer for -1/8 raised to a -2/3? Okay. And he questioned me back saying that why you are asking this question, right? I'm a B.Tech student. And I said that this is class 8th student question. Why I'm asking you that, do you remember what you have read? M raised to the minus n, what is the value, right? So if we are standing at the crossroad where people are there who can just code, they know the language. Everybody is focused about the language, but not the programming.
Got it.
Knowing language is one part, doing programming is another part. And that is the gap that I see. Huge gap. Professional skills gap, programming gap, knowledge of language is there. Whatever subject they read, that they don't institutionalize, it is subject for rote lectures and pass exam. This is the basic problem. And that is why, see, IT industry is the only industry where we hire people, give money to train on the basic things. Have you had any plumber who doesn't know how to open a nut? Have you had any electrician who doesn't know how to change the bulb? In IT industry, you hire people to train C programming and C++ programming. So this is the only industry which happens. We are growing, hence it happens. Otherwise, it cannot happen. We have to solve this problem.
Got it, sir. So, what do you think, sir? How much of this problem is because of the engineering programs that is being run in various universities, colleges, which have mushroomed up? And what do you see? What's the problem in these engineering courses that have been offered?
Yeah, so engineering colleges, basically, the first problem is that they have a standard course. The professors and lecturers' approach is to complete the course, right? Their care is to teach.
Yep.
Right? Their care is not to make sure that the student understands. Right? The effectiveness of the program is not responsible to the college. I have been given this class from 10 o'clock to 10:45. I went in the class. Whoever is attends, not attend, doesn't understand, and I have to just go back and lecture the people.
So, what do you think you, as a board of advisor to this entire program that we have created, what do you see like how we are going to solve this problem?
I saw the curriculum. First focus is problem solving.
Yes.
Right? We are starting the game from the problem solving. First, you understand how to solve problem. It is not about teaching about the programming language as such, for loop, while loop. So once we are taking this problem solving approach, we have solved one bigger problem where I have told you that people know language, they don't know programming.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Second, you are starting with a scratch program, which is very simple. Anybody can learn. And then it is a drag and drop thing. Ultimate programming in 2050 will be drag and drop of the tools. Right?
Yeah.
Nobody is going to write the codes, that is for sure. But the drag and drops has to be complex, and somebody has to go back and write those tools there.
Yeah.
So we are starting with that. Second focus that we are doing is about communication. You have 600 hours, 700 hours of real solving of business communication or skill development. That is what we are doing. Third part is biggest focus on software engineering of era, modern era.
Yeah.
Software engineering is not, I'm talking about placement book and understanding all the requirements and this, that is a part of thing that has to be there. But can you do CI/CD DevSoft together and you understand the complete flow? So when you come to the team, you are not scared about.
Yeah.
Right? Half of the people complain in the business saying that this guy cannot work in Agile Scrum. I say that what is there not to work in Agile Scrum? right? Then I realized that the guy is scared to do GitLab check-in, right? He's scared to commit code, right? So when he's not able to commit code, he's not able to branch it out, he's not able to take the code out, right? So these are the problem statement is that, and what we are trying to do is that we are stitching all together
Yep.
to make that from day one, this guy is productive.
Yep.
You need to teach your domain, you need to teach your company tools, you need to teach your company platform rather than teaching things that is done there.
Yes. Yes.
One of the other remarkable thing that I found is that you are doing internship in the middle of thing. 2 years
Yes.
completed, you do 6 months. Exact middle path you are going and see in the industry, so that if there is any gap in the student that he finds out that okay, I have not understood, he has a time of at least 1.5 years to go back and fix it.
Yes.
It is
Yes.
not that you are doing internship in seventh and then you are like okay done, right? So that is where the our design of the internship is really really important.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Thank you for this.